Okay, this is how to move Excel data to UCINet. These data are in the form of a matrix. So what I'm going to do is just highlight everything. I'm pressing Control A. There we are. And then I'm pressing Control C to copy to the clipboard. And now I go to UCINet and I go to the spreadsheet editor, which is the third from the left. Actually, it's called the matrix editor. And there, I just paste it in. I'm pressing Control V. And I save this. As, I'll call it test. And now that it's been saved, and close this, and then UCINet, I might press the big D button here to display it. Let's display test and see what it looks like. And there we are, it's the same data. So, if the data are in matrix form, that's all there is to it.